What's going on, folks? My name is Jeff from Zappos.com, and today we take a look at this shoe, and it's from SKECHERS Performance. Now, this shoe here is nice and lightweight and breathable thanks to the woven mesh upper that it's made out of. You're also going to notice some 3D printed overlays that are made out of a synthetic material. That's going to be right on the side to give the shoe some extra structural support. On the interior of the shoe, you have a soft fabric lining that's going to feel great against the foot, and an air-cooled Goga Mat insole. And that's very squishy. It's going to give you great shock absorption and comfort for all-day wear. Now, on the outside, you're going to have this parametric midsole construction, great for support and stability, and that's made out of a very soft 5-gen material. And this all sits on top of this nicely designed outsole. It's going to give you responsive traction and great ground feel. Lightweight comfort that also looks good. And it's from SKECHERS Performance.